What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Crispy, and I'm back with another video. All right, and in this video, what I want you guys to do is join the referral program. All right, for Trusted Signals, because a lot of you guys who have purchased the lifetime membership have already started promoting the affiliate program. All right, and pretty much are just paying for your lifetime membership. All right, so in this video, I just wanted to make a 2-minute video showing you exactly how to sign up for the referral program. All right, and it's pretty simple. All right, if you're not familiar to Trusted Signals, all right, the link in the description. All right, it's a signal indicator that gives you the ability to buy and enter the market. All right, and it's doing numbers right now. All right, in the sense of everybody who's in the Discord, we're learning, we're all chatting, we're talking about different investment opportunities as well. The link is in the description for that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump directly into the computer. All right, and as you can see here, if you come to trustedsignals.com, okay, it's gonna give you the ability to purchase the indicator. All right, and make sure that you purchase the indicator before you actually start promoting the indicator. All right, because you need to actually be a VIP member. You need to sign up to the referral program using your email that you signed up with during your checkout. All right, so if you scroll all the way bottom of Trusted Signals, all right, you're gonna see refer friends. You're gonna want to go ahead and click it, and you're just gonna want to fill out your information. Okay, and once you fill out your information, okay, you're gonna see here commission payout. All right, and then you're gonna get an email, okay, with the link that you're gonna go ahead and share on your Facebook, your Instagram, through email to your friends, your family, through text messages. All right, and pretty much you're gonna be able to go ahead and essentially pay off your membership. All right, guys, so like I said, this is going to be a very short video. All right, and this is pretty much how you can get your Trusted Signals indicator for free. And trust me when I tell you there's already people making hundreds of dollars, there is. All right, if you're one of those people, comment down below. All right, link your YouTube channel. There's a lot of YouTube influencers and all that good stuff who is promoting. All right, and like I said, the lifetime sale is going on right now. So as you can see, if you want to go ahead and just get lifetime and get locked in, the sale's still available. By the time I release this, it should still be available. All right, and you're getting a lot of things in this. All right, it's not just one indicator. All right, so make sure that you click the link in the description. All right, that's all for this video. I just wanted to go ahead and drop this for you so that way you guys can start making money while promoting an amazing product. All right, so if you guys are new to the channel, like I said, just subscribe. My next video, I'm going to do a giveaway. All right, and until the next video, guys, peace.